Ay, 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 ay. Bitch, please stop it with the faking and frauding. You little nigga stupid if you think I'm retarded. She wanna pop a molly in the middle of the party. They tell me pipe down, but I'm just getting started. I wanna function, not that fuck shit. This that guns in the air make you duck shit. This I pull up on the ops and make a run shit. This I pull up on a thought and make a bus splits. Pussy nigga detail, split him like a Dutch. Pull up on his partner like nigga, what's a rush? Bang on.
One-stop shop. Make sure you guys come on down to G&J. They'll hook you up. Look at the Integra right there. G&J is always coming through to help. They're very humble and they appreciate your service and they're willing to get back to the racing community. So stop on by and get your shit. K supercharged and Integra, super clean. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, guys, check it out. Went to G&J, got myself a couple lines and fittings. Got a dash 1090 to the post pump, to another 90 to the fuel pump. I'm gonna create like a little bracket so this isn't, you know, just free hanging. Then after that, I got some dash 8 line. This line is gonna run through this hole and it's gonna go to the front of the car. I also got another 90 that's gonna go to the fuel rail. As you can see, after a turn line here is gonna drop from a 90 here, also through the hole where the sending unit goes, all the way down to the front. All right, check it out. This is the mock-up. We got the return here. We got the sending unit there. They're both running through the hole. They're gonna go to the front of the fuel rail. Then I have this line here that's gonna go to the filter and off to the fuel rail as well. Taking out the swap. Gonna throw it into a new thing right here. Shit's super mint. Rigo working his magic. Got a little cage. This car was a K originally, but we're gonna throw a B swap back into it. Yeah, buddy. Trying to pull this bad bitch out. Damn, Daniel. Just like that, homie. 5 minutes. Fuck you, alright?
Did you just rev at us?
Yeah. See, that's why we gotta finish today, Dick, and then we'll call Charlie. We'll put up like 1,200 each of us, you know?
Yeah.
Fuck everyone up. One side knocked out. A few more turns to go, motherfucker.
He's not saying that we did anything, that I did anything.
It's a wrap. That shit for sure came out in the vlog, dog. Shit looks tough.
I need to raise it up in the back.
There we go. That's gonna conclude the day. We got the front coilovers on with the cambers, whole big brake setup. We got the rear coilovers on as well with the cambers and the little control arms. Check it out. Threw the rims up on this bad bitch too. Squared away. Looking solid. Rigo doing major big things. Support those who support you, alright?